Today's a big day. I don't know if y'all have heard or not, but the Spurs play tonight.
Let's go!
Game 2 in OKC. Tip-off is at 7:30. And if you're a sneakerhead and also a Wemby fan, it gets even better. Nike just dropped the GT Cut 4 Gold Panther today. It's black and metallic gold with leopard spots, a switch from Wemby's usual alien theme. It debuts his brand new VW logo on it. So it's got the Victor Wembanyama logo. The timing obviously could not be more perfect with Game 2 again tonight in OKC. You don't love them, do you?
I couldn't wear those.
Well, I mean, I also could not wear those, but I feel like unless you're Wemby or a player like Wemby, I don't know if you could wear them either.
Cordero could rock those. He has a bunch of different types of shoes.
Cordero, no offense, but don't get those shoes. I don't know if you could rock those. I don't think so.
I think you could rock them. It wouldn't look good on me.
I don't love them. But see, I don't like really, really dark sneakers.
That's a good point.
I went through a phase where I did years and years ago, and now I like really light sneakers.
See, and I don't like all the patterns. I
want
want
just
just
a lot going
solid.
on.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, because then it doesn't go with everything.
Exactly.
You know?
Maybe.
You can't wear it with your floral pants, Xavier.
Exactly. Maybe a little
plaid.
patent leather on the side.
Maybe.
That's fine. That's about as fancy as I go.
Well, they will cost you over $200.
Oh, see,
I think
there's
like
the other reason.
$260.
Yeah, I'm out.
Or something. So, but anywho, there's some people that they're going to go out and grab them immediately just because I'm sure there's only a few that are being made.
Yeah.
Well, we have a happy birthday today.
Oh,
Your favorite pants are turning 153 years old. Happy birthday to Blue Jeans.
Oh, wow.
That's right.
Look at that.
Well, those are skinny jeans
I was about
right
to
there.
say, those aren't.
Well, here's what's interesting. There's a whole story behind Blue Jeans and how they started.
Okay.
So it all began in 1873 because a woman was tired of her husband's work pants always falling apart. So she went to her tailor, who grabbed copper rivets that he normally used on horse blankets, and he threw them on the pockets, and that was the start of Blue Jeans.
Interesting.
It's now a $91 billion industry, all because of a frustrated wife.
Now,
made it happen.
Is Blue Jeans the same as denim? Because I kind of feel...
That's a good,
You know what I mean?
I think the whole concept of Blue Jeans, you know, I feel like I have contributed a lot to that $91 billion industry.
Really?
I've gone through every stage, and every time a new type of jean would come out, I would say, ew.
Yeah.
I would never wear those mom jeans. Now they're all I wear.
Right.
And then at one point, ew, skinny jeans.
But you
went through a slew of those.
Did you? Okay.
Yes, back in the years ago. It was a thing. Do y'all remember skinny jeans and heels, cute top? That's what we would wear out.
I feel like there's still some folks wearing that right now.
Well, okay. Good for them.
Yeah.
But, you know, whatever floats your boat when it comes to jeans.
I went through a weird phase as a kid, and it was primarily my mom's fault, I think. She did corduroy like super early, so you could hear me walking from 10 miles away, man. Yeah, it was awful.
Sneaking up on nobody in your corduroy.
Love
you
my
did
mom.
have love that woman.
Yeah.
You did have blue jean overalls.
I did, which was a horrible idea.
A real situation with those that weren't the pants, different links.
They're different links,
legs.
and you can't be chubby wearing any type of overalls. It just doesn't look right. You look like a farmer.
You know what? They do look really good on tall, slender people.
Yeah, that works for them.
Most normal people can't get away with it.
I know you didn't just do this.
I did.
It's me.
I would look
not
terrible in overalls.
I don't think so.
It is not a good look.
No,
on me
you'd be fine. It's more like me where I look like I was getting ready to plant a whole crop. You know.
How about the overalls and the Wemby sneakers? How about that?
That would be a whole look, wouldn't it?
Sure would be a look, all right.
Yeah.
Okay, let's talk about cats.
Okay.
We have to tell y'all about this beautiful cat rescue on a Greek island. They're offering free accommodations to volunteers willing to help care for dozens of rescue cats.
Wow.
Now, I guess that's one right there.
Yeah.
Look how happy he is because
He's
his
waiting for
surroundings
you.
are beautiful.
Alondra.
The job requires working from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. for 5 days a week, volunteers have tasks such as feeding and cuddling the animals. Now, sadly for cat lovers, the 2026 spots are already booked, but applications for 2027 open in September. You just have to go to that website right there, cyroscats.com/volunteering. And you could cuddle that little guy.
6 hours for a day for 5 days. That's it.
That's it.
The rest of the time you're in Greece.
You're in Greece, but I don't know how far you are away from other cool things in Greece. So, but you're on that island.
That's kind of cool.
And they pay for you to live. I think you have to pay for your own food. But,
okay.
And your own overalls. You take care of the cats. Well, this leads to our social media question. Let us know on Facebook, what is your fantasy escape from everyday life? Please comment. We'll read some of those comments before the end of the hour today. And finally, from basketball to soccer, soccer fans, you could be scoring free pizza during the World Cup thanks to this wild new promotion from Domino's. Domino's plans to give away up to $1 million worth of free pizza every time a player gets a red card during tournament play. So basically, every dramatic ejection on the field could turn into a free slice for fans at home.
Nice.
There you go. Xavier, I still have a lot to learn about soccer, but you said there's one thing you do know, and that's how to do the
goal.
There you go.
Lasso.
That's all you need.
That's it.
All I know is they kick the ball and they try to get it into the goal.
Yeah.
And the goalie tries to stop them. But I don't understand all of the penalties. I mean, and the different positions.
Yeah, well, I couldn't explain it to you either. There's forwards and all of that. I don't know.
But we have time because the FIFA's coming. So
I'll Google it.
We got to learn by the Sumrex. It turns out your skin's new best friend might already be sitting in your fruit bowl at home. Scientists say that eating grapes every single day for just 2 weeks can actually rewire how your skin fights off sun damage at the genetic level. The study found that daily grape consumption reduced oxidative stress from UV exposure and triggered real changes in how your skin genes respond. Then I'm in good shape because I eat pretty much my body weight in grapes.
Do you? Those are so expensive.
But they're so good.
So expensive, man.
And filling, but yes, expensive.
Right. And then I heard it's not every grape. It's mainly like the dark colored grapes.
The red
right?
grapes.
Right.
And the greens are my favorite.
See?
But I've been eating the reds lately because they've been crisper at HEB. Yeah. But yeah, they are expensive.
Wow.
And I get a couple pounds.
What?
Yes.
Man, I got to go snack at your house.
To last me through the week. So anyway, eat some red grapes, you guys. Good for your skin. Well, the NFL is officially headed to Music City. Have you heard about this? Nashville will host the Super Bowl in 2030, marking the city's first time ever hosting the big game.
Wow.
The championship will be played at the Tennessee Titans' brand new enclosed Nissan Stadium, which is currently under construction but expected to open in 2027. They are really planning these out. But who will be the musical halftime performer?
Well, whoever's hot, I guess, that year, right?
Never know. Every time I think I have an idea, they're going to pick either probably this person or this person. They throw in someone out of left field.
Yeah.
Anywho. Well, if you're a parent of teens, this is really important information. Apparently, kids are staying up really, really late, and parents don't even realize it. Teenagers, they have found, after doing a study, are on their phones between midnight and 4 a.m. on school nights, and the average late night session runs about 50 minutes. This isn't all teens, obviously, but a lot of them. Researchers say the lost sleep is adding up in a big way, and parents have had no idea that this was happening. That's why you have to put the controls on there to where they can't do that.
Yep. Or just completely take their phone away at night.
Then there's that.
Yeah.
Or threaten them. You won't have a phone or a vehicle if you're on it during those hours.
Then they start hiding it, you know what I mean?
Right.
They're like, it's under my pillow.
Right,
You
sure
didn't
it
see
is. Yeah.